Free HD quality tutorial. Step 1. First open CapCut. Add video for editing. Cut your video extra parts. Follow my steps. Go to Adjust. Contrast 10 or 15. Sharpen 100. Highlight 10. After adjust, crop your video. Save in 4K quality. Step 2. Open Koloro app. Select your crop video. Go to Adjust. Find Detail. Sharpen 100. Structure 100. Click on 3 dots. FPS 60. Resolution 1080. Export. Step 3. Open winko. Click on Image Quality. Tap on Try Now. Add your edited video. Click on Confirm. Wait for process. Please follow me for more information. Click on After. Save this. Check results. Before. After. Thanks for watching.